Good morning. How can I help you today? I'm looking for information about your company's products and services. Could you tell me about your role within the company? Certainly. I'm the sales manager, responsible for overseeing the sales team and developing new business opportunities. What sets your company apart from the competition? Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction sets us apart. We also offer innovative solutions that address specific client needs. How do you handle customer complaints or feedback? We take customer feedback seriously. We have a dedicated customer service team that addresses concerns promptly and works towards finding satisfactory solutions. What is the process for placing an order? Placing an order is simple. You can do it online through our website or contact our sales team directly, and they will guide you through the process. Can you provide details about your pricing structure? Certainly. Our pricing is based on the product or service you choose, and we offer competitive rates. We also have different packages to cater to various budgets. How do you ensure the quality of your products/services? Quality is a top priority for us. We have stringent quality control measures in place, and our products undergo thorough testing before they reach our customers. What is your company's mission or vision? Our mission is to provide cutting-edge solutions that exceed customer expectations. We envision becoming a global leader in our industry by consistently delivering excellence. Can you share some success stories or client testimonials? Absolutely. We have numerous success stories, and our clients often commend us on our reliability, professionalism, and the positive impact our products/services have had on their businesses. How do you stay updated on industry trends and changes? Staying informed is crucial. We have a dedicated team that regularly attends conferences, workshops, and industry events to ensure we are at the forefront of any. What types of payment do you accept? We accept credit cards, bank transfers, and PayPal for convenient payment options. Could you provide information on your delivery process? Certainly. Our standard delivery time is 3 to 5 business days, and we use reputable courier services to ensure safe and timely delivery. How do you handle issues with product warranties? We have a comprehensive warranty policy. If any issues arise within the warranty period, we offer free repairs or replacements. Can you discuss your company's sustainability initiatives? Absolutely. We are committed to sustainability and have implemented various eco-friendly practices, including recycling programs and energy-efficient operations. What opportunities are there for career growth within your company? We prioritize internal promotions and provide continuous training to support employees in advancing their careers within the company. In what ways do you engage with the local community? Community engagement is important to us. We participate in local events, sponsor initiatives, and contribute to charitable causes. How do you handle data security and privacy concerns? Data security is paramount. We employ the latest encryption technologies and follow strict privacy policies to safeguard customer information. What measures do you take to maintain a positive company culture? We foster a positive culture through team-building activities, open communication, and recognition programs to ensure a supportive work environment. How do you adapt to changes in the market or industry? Adaptability is key. We conduct regular market analyses, gather feedback, and adjust our strategies to stay ahead of industry trends. Can you share examples of professional development opportunities for employees? Certainly. We offer workshops, seminars, and online courses to enhance the skills and knowledge of our employees. What steps do you take to ensure diversity and inclusion in the workplace? We promote diversity through inclusive hiring practices, diversity training, and creating an environment where everyone feels valued and respected. How do you handle product recalls, if any? In the rare event of a product recall, We communicate transparently with customers, issue timely recalls, and take necessary steps to rectify the situation. Could you explain your approach to client onboarding? Certainly. Client onboarding involves understanding their needs, providing comprehensive orientation, and ensuring a smooth transition into our services. What strategies do you employ for marketing and brand promotion? We utilize a mix of digital marketing, social media campaigns, and traditional advertising to enhance brand visibility and reach our target audience. How do you encourage innovation among your employees? Innovation is encouraged through brainstorming sessions, idea-sharing platforms, and recognition programs for creative contributions. What is your approach to handling workplace conflicts? We address conflicts promptly through open communication, mediation, and providing resources to foster a collaborative and harmonious work environment. Can you elaborate on your company's commitment to corporate social responsibility, CSR? CSR is integral to our values. We contribute to social and environmental causes, ensuring our business practices have a positive impact on society. How do you maintain customer loyalty in a competitive market? Customer loyalty is built through excellent service, personalized offerings, and loyalty programs that reward our valued customers. What steps do you take to ensure a safe working environment? Safety is our top priority. We conduct regular safety training, implement safety protocols, and provide necessary equipment to create a secure workplace. Could you share insights into your company's long-term growth strategy? Our long-term growth strategy involves expanding into new markets, investing in research and development, and strategic partnerships to enhance our market presence. How do you handle the integration of new technologies into your business processes? We stay at the forefront of technology by regularly assessing new solutions, conducting pilot programs, and ensuring seamless integration to improve efficiency. Can you discuss your approach to employee feedback and performance reviews? Employee feedback is crucial. We conduct regular performance reviews, encourage open communication, and provide constructive feedback for professional development. What measures do you have in place to ensure environmental sustainability? Environmental sustainability is a priority. We minimize waste, promote recycling, and explore eco-friendly alternatives in our production and operations. How do you address issues related to supply chain disruptions? We have a robust supply chain management system, diversify suppliers, and maintain strategic reserves to mitigate the impact of disruptions. Could you share examples of successful collaborations or partnerships your company has undertaken? Certainly. We've had successful collaborations with industry leaders, resulting in innovative products and expanded market reach. What role does feedback from employees play in shaping company policies? Employee feedback is invaluable. We consider it when formulating and revising policies to ensure they align with the needs and concerns of our workforce. How do you ensure ethical business practices throughout your organization? Ethical practices are ingrained in our culture. We have a code of conduct, ethics training, and a dedicated ethics committee to uphold high standards. Can you discuss your approach to risk management within the company? We conduct thorough risk assessments, implement risk mitigation strategies, and regularly review and update our risk management policies. What steps do you take to foster a culture of continuous learning among employees? Continuous learning is encouraged through training programs, mentorship initiatives, and providing access to educational resources. How do you balance the need for innovation with maintaining stability in your business operations? Balancing innovation and stability involves strategic planning, phased implementation of changes, and a focus on core operational excellence. Can you provide insights into your company's international expansion strategies? Our international expansion involves market research, identifying strategic partners, and adapting our products/services to meet diverse global needs. How do you handle communication challenges within a global team? Effective communication is key. We use diverse communication channels, provide language training, and foster a culture of inclusivity and understanding. Could you share experiences of successfully overcoming a business challenge? Certainly. We faced a supply chain challenge by diversifying suppliers, improving logistics, and implementing contingency plans to ensure uninterrupted operations. What initiatives do you have in place to promote employee well-being and work-life balance? We prioritize well-being through wellness programs, flexible work arrangements, and initiatives that support a healthy work-life balance. How do you ensure that your company remains compliant with industry regulations? Compliance is non-negotiable. We have a dedicated compliance team, regular audits, and stay updated on industry regulations to ensure adherence. What is your company's stance on diversity, equity, and inclusion? We are committed to diversity, equity, and inclusion. We have policies promoting equal opportunities and fostering an inclusive work environment. How do you handle internal communication to ensure all employees stay informed? Internal communication is facilitated through regular updates, newsletters, and town hall meetings. Can you discuss your approach to talent acquisition and recruitment? Talent acquisition involves a thorough recruitment process, assessing cultural fit, and providing opportunities for career growth within the company. What strategies do you employ to minimize the environmental impact of your business operations? We minimize our environmental impact through sustainable practices, energy-efficient operations, and initiatives to reduce our carbon footprint. Could you share examples of employee recognition programs within your company? Certainly. We have recognition programs that celebrate outstanding performance, achievements, and contributions to the company's success. How do you handle product testing and quality assurance? Product testing is rigorous. We have a dedicated quality assurance team, conduct thorough tests, and adhere to industry standards to ensure product excellence. Can you discuss your company's approach to innovation in product development? Innovation is at the core